Here we have a problem on algebra 2, that is we have to solve for x in this equation. Okay, now let me start working on this x over, I'm going to write this 0.5 as a fraction. Since we have only one digit to the right of the decimal point, so this 0.5 can be written as a fraction, that is 5 over 10. Negative 1 over, so here in this one we have two digits to the right of the decimal point, so it can be written as a fraction, that is 5 over 100. Since we have two digits, I'm taking 100 as a denominator, and the number we have over here is taken in numerator, positive x over. So here we have three digits to the right of the decimal point, so this 5 should be taken in numerator, divided by, since we have three digits to the right of the decimal point, the denominator has to be 1000, negative 1 over, and this one can be written as a fraction, that is 5 over 10,000 equals to 0. Okay, then what we can do is I can write this x as it is. Now I change this division as multiplication. When I change the division as multiplication, I must get reciprocal of the denominator over here. So the reciprocal of 5 over 10 is just 10 over 5. Negative, I write this 1 as it is and change this division as multiplication, get reciprocal of this fraction, then it will be 100 over 5 positive x times, we have to get reciprocal for this one, then I'm getting 1000 over 5 negative 1 times reciprocal of this one is 10,000 over 5 equals to 0. Okay, so x times 10 fifth means we have to multiply this x and the numerator 10, then I'm getting 10x over 5. Negative 1 times 100 is 100 over 5. Positive x times 1000 will be 1000 x over 5. Negative 1 times 1000 will be 1 times 10,000 will be 10,000 over 5 equals to 0. Okay, now so here we have four fractions, so and also we have subtraction, addition, subtraction. So whenever we add or subtract two or more fractions with the same denominator, what we can do is we can take the denominator in common and we have to simplify the numerators. Since we have the same denominator 5 for all the four fractions over here, we can take 5 as a common denominator. Now we have to simplify the numerators. It is 10x, let me write it out here, negative 100, positive 1000 x, then negative 10,000, let me write it over here, equals to 0. Okay, now let me multiply both sides by 5 to get up the denominator over here. So when I multiply both sides by 5, this 5 will cancel out. And also here we can combine this 10x and 1000x. When I combine them, I'm getting 1000 10x, and also when I combine this 100 and this 10,000, it will be negative 10,100 equals to 0 times 5 is 0. Okay, now to solve for x, we have to isolate x. For that, we have to get rid of all the values around the variable x. First, let me get rid of this 10,100. For that, we have to add 10,100 to both sides. Let me do it. So when I do so, this negative value, positive value will cancel. I'm getting 1010x equals to 10,100. Okay, now to solve for x, I have to get rid of this 1010, which is multiplied by x. For that, I divide both sides by 1010. So this 1010 will cancel. I am getting x equals to, when I divide this 10,100 by 1010, I'm just getting 10. So now I have solved for x in the given equation. The value of x is 10.